how to install and set up Wordfence Security in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into the WordPress admin panel with Admin User. Now let's learn how to install and set up the Wordfence Security plugin in WordPress. The Wordfence Security plugin helps you in detecting and protecting your WordPress installation from intrusions and security risks. Point the mouse on Plugins and then click on the Add New menu. In the Search Plugins window, search Wordfence Security. We have searched the plugin here. Now, click the Install Now button. That's it! You have successfully installed the Wordfence Security plugin. Click on the Activate button in order to activate the plugin. The Wordfence Security plugin is activated now. Let's configure the plugin now. Point the mouse on the Wordfence option and then click on the Dashboard menu. The dashboard shows the recent issues and the update notifications. Fix them accordingly. Since we are using the free edition of the plugin, not all features are available. To upgrade to the paid edition of the plugin, click on the Upgrade to Premium button. Click on the Scan menu. To run a security scan of your current WordPress installation, click on the Start a WordDefense Scan button. Once the scan has been completed, you will be notified of the results. Click on the Scheduling tab. The Scan Scheduling option is available only with the premium version of the plugin. Click on the Options tab. Configure the scan options as per your needs or keep them as it is. Click on the Save Options button. Click on the Firewall menu. Click on the Optimize the WordDefense Firewall button. WordDefense plugin has scanned and selected the server configuration automatically. You can also use the drop-down menu to select an alternative setup. You can select the setup as per your server configuration. Click on the Continue button. Click on the Download.hta access button to download the file as a backup. Click on the Continue button. Now, click on the Save button. At the bottom of the page, configure whitelist URLs, which will not be tested by the firewall, and configure the advanced settings. Click on the Brute Force Protection tab. Configure the brute force protection settings as per your requirements or keep them as it is. Click on the Save Options button. Click on the Rate Limiting tab. Configure the options as per your needs or keep them as it is. Click on the Save Options button. Click on the Blocking menu. In order to remove the blocked IPs, click on the Clear All Blocked IP Addresses link. To remove the locked out IPs, click on the Clear All Locked Out IP Addresses link. To block an IP, fill it in the Manually Block IP window and click on the button near the window. In order to view the blocked IPs and locked IPs, click on the respected windows. Country blocking option is available in Wordfence Premium version only. We will skip the country blocking option. Click on the Advanced Blocking tab. Options under the Advanced Blocking tab helps to block IP ranges, host names, user agents, and referrers. Configure the options as per your needs. Click on Live Traffic menu. The Live Traffic menu helps to view real-time updates on IP addresses accessing your website and IPs that are being blocked by Wordfence. Click on the Tools menu. Password auditing is available for premium members only, so we will skip it. Click on the Whois Lookup tab. Whois Lookup tool helps to view the domain IP owner's details. Type in a domain name or IP in window and then click on the Lookup IP or Domain button. Click on the Cell Phone Sign-In tab. We will skip this tool as it's available only for the paid version of Wordfence. Click on the Diagnostics tab. The Diagnostics tab helps to identify any configuration, permissions issues in your WordPress installation. Click on the Options menu. The Wordfence Options page shows all the options plus other additional options from the other menus that we have already configured. Once you are done with configuring the options, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Options button. That's it! You have successfully configured the Wordfence Security plugin. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up the Wordfence Security plugin in WordPress.